Imagine controlling a robot without a remote, just your body movements. Today, we're merging human pose detection, Google's Teachable Machine, and PictoBlox AI to create magic. Let's build the future together. By the end of this video, you'll turn into a real-life robot whisperer. We'll train AI to detect your poses, wire it to a robot, and make it obey your every move. Ready? Let's dive in. If you geeked out over this project, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Electric light bulb. Challenge for you, comment your wildest robot control idea below. Maybe we'll build it next. Stay curious, future engineers. Peace out.
Turn left.